I press down here?
Yeah, everything's good.
So I'm gonna just right in this mid back first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. Very good. Release there. So I'm going to hold you here. Nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Wow. That was huge. How'd that feel?
Yeah, really good.
Wow. Same thing here, okay?
A little more restricted on
Yeah.
this side.
Nice deep breath in. All the way out. I'm going to do a little drop here as well, just to hit the sacroiliac joint. Deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Go ahead and point the toes down for me. How did that feel?
It was actually not that bad.
Just relax the leg. Very good. Same thing here. Relax this here, okay? Let's do the knee here. Very good. So all the way down towards me. Just relax that shoulder there. Give me full control. Now just do me a favor, drop the head towards the left, drop it. Very good. I'm going to come in and do a little rotation here. Relax it. Wow. That was a big release. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. Down towards me. Just relax that shoulder, okay?
Okay.
Just give it full control. Just relax it. Drop the head to the right.
You called it.
There you go. Yeah, right? Whenever I said it was ready to go. Behind the back here. Let's come down. Good. Other side for me.